My name is Samantha Smith, and I am a senior in UNC Greensboro's Public Health Program. This is my community health organization presentation about the nonprofit Ada Jenkins. The organization is named after a teacher in the 1930s in Davidson, North Carolina, who raised additional funds to build the brick schoolhouse that is now the main building of the Ada Jenkins Center. Ada Jenkins' mission is to improve the quality of life for the residents and their community through the integrated delivery of health, education, and human services. Some of their programs include English as a second language, computer classes, tutoring, dental clinics, health clinics, and a food pantry. This year alone, 40 tons of food have been donated, $300,000 was donated in time, supplies, and medication to the dental and health clinic, and 128 students were served in the after-school program. The Ada Jenkins Center is located in Davidson, North Carolina, which is 20 miles north of Charlotte. The pie chart displays the surrounding communities that were served through the organization in 2014. A position became available for a part-time community health nurse at Ada Jenkins. The candidate would be responsible for medical case management and health education for area residents. This position is also responsible for the coordination of health-related collaborative programs and efforts between the Ada Jenkins Center and community organizations. There are numerous volunteer opportunities available through Ada Jenkins. Physicians, nurses, dentists, and hygienists are needed to keep the medical and dental clinic running. Receptionists are needed to answer phones and staff the front desk. Nutrition volunteers and coordinators are needed for the food pantry. Bilingual care coordinators are essential in reducing barriers to access to care. Ada Jenkins has a vertical organizational chart. At the top of the hierarchy is the board of directors, who hold the most power. Below that are the executive director and nonprofit administrative fellow. There are 6 different unit directors. Below each unit director is anywhere from 1 to 6 employees. Ada Jenkins relies on donations to enable them to serve the community. They have 2 main fundraisers annually, a gala and a barbecue festival. Last year, the barbecue festival raised over $165,000 through sponsorships, auctions, and ticket sales. Foundations and companies in the community play an intricate part of donations. This year, 14 companies have donated over $20,000 each to Ada Jenkins. Ada Jenkins' logo represents their catchphrase of opening the doors to opportunity. They market through many different avenues, including social media, print media, and television. Ada Jenkins collaborates with Christian Assistance Ministries, Safe Alliance, and Loaves and Fishes to help meet the needs in the community. They also receive financial support from the United Way. It is essential for Ada Jenkins to evaluate their programs to assess the design, implementation, improvement, and outcome of the program. They use summative evaluations to focus on the outcome of a specific program. Their end-of-the-year survey for the LearnWorks program showed that all 39 parents who responded to the survey were satisfied with the program. Also, nearly all the students stated that they believe someone in the program cares about them. I interviewed Julie Melkor, the dental clinic program coordinator for Ada Jenkins. She has a background in social work and has been employed by Ada Jenkins for over 10 years. The biggest thing I took away from the interview was the importance of professional networking. She encourages all new graduates to treat internships seriously because it is a great opportunity to show your work ethic. When developing a new program, a lot of time and consideration needs to be put in to ensure its success. First, you would have to develop a plan to gain funding. Oftentimes, collaborating with other organizations is a great option. Your mission has to be clear. Budgeting is a necessity to ensure that funds are used wisely. Staffing responsibility should be clear in the organizational chart of the program. This slide shows all references used for this project.